Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the turret signal bulb socket that's in front of your Jeep Wrangler. This is pretty easy to do. You don't need any special tools, so I'll show you what's involved in the process. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. Okay, so what you have to do is reach around the back of the light, the back of the header panel, and then you're going to twist it down on the bulb and release the light from the back of the housing. So right here, you'll see a red tab. Push the tab up, and there's like a little black tab right here. Push down on this little black tab, and then grab the socket housing and pull it right out, just like that. So if you have to, if the bulb is good, you want to keep the bulb just pulls out like that. This bulb happens to be a 2717 bulb. You can find it at any parts store. So just push the bulb back into the socket. If you have a new socket, take the socket, push it back up into the wire harness. There's a tip right here that you're going to see that locks into this red tab. So make sure that's lined up. Push it into place. Push this red tab down. That locks the socket into place, the new socket. So you're going to take your new socket and poke it through the back. There's 3 notches on the back of that socket. There's one here, one here, and one here. There's little holes that you're going to line up in back of here. So you just have to feel it click in, twist up, pull on it, and you're all set. So that's all there really is to it. It'll take you like 30 seconds to do this. If you take it somewhere, depending on the place, they're going to be done in 30 seconds. They're going to charge you a pile of money, and they're going to be eating a ham sandwich in the corner for 3 hours. So this shows you what's involved with doing this. It's not hard at all. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, guys.